Okay, go.
Good? Alright, so today we're working with complex numbers. Complex numbers are when we have an imaginary number, which means that we have a negative number in the square root, which we represent by I. Since we know what I is, these four exponents are the powers of I, which means that if you go any higher than these four or any lower, your answers will still be one of these four, which I'm going to show you next. Alright? The way we figure that out is that whatever our exponent is, we divide by 4, since this works in a set of 4, or a cycle of 4. So, what we're going to do is long division. And by doing long division, what we're going to look for is a remainder. If the remainder is between either 1, 2, or 3, then we match it up with the corresponding exponent. If there is no remainder, that means it's the same thing as saying I to the fourth, which would just be 1. So let's see what we get here. So, to do long division, remember, just see how many times the number on the outside goes into the number on the inside. 4 goes into 22 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Break down to 5. 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. And since 4 does not go into 1, that means we have a remainder of 1. Alright? Which is the same as saying I to the first power, which means our answer for this question would be I. So again, we are always going to base it on the remainder. If the remainder is 2 or 3, then the answers are -1 or -I. And if there is no remainder, I to the fourth, which means the answer is 1. Next, we have adding with complex numbers, which just means combine-like terms. Just because the I is there doesn't change how you would approach it. 4 plus 6, which is 10, and 8i plus 4i, which is 12.